How to use Polybuzz.AI. I'm going to tell you how to use Polybuzz.AI. To get started, visit polybuzz.ai or download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're in, you can browse a vast library of AI characters, including anime icons, fictional personas, and user-generated bots. Simply select a character and start chatting. The AI responds in real time, adapting to your inputs for a personalized experience. If you're interested in creating your own character, Polybuzz provides tools to customize appearance, voice, backstory, and personal traits. You can make your character public to share with others or keep it in private for personal interactions. The platform supports important character data from other AI chat platforms. Polybuzz is designed for creative expression and interactive storytelling, offering a unique space for users to engage with AI in a dynamic way.